Hi, I'm Adam, and today I'm checking out Brook Run Skatepark for the first time. I'm here with Ryan, who's been giving me a tour of some of the older concrete parks around Atlanta. Parks like Bay Creek, Brook Run, Mountain Park, and Pinckneyville. Ryan actually worked here at Brook Run when the park first opened. Back then it was a paid park and even had a small skate shop. Brook Run has some huge obstacles, but there's also a lot of open spaces with banks, stair sets, manual pads, and hips that make it approachable for beginners while still being a lot of fun for seasoned skaters. It also has one of the biggest Euro gaps I've ever seen. Lately I've been skating a lot of mini ramp with tight trucks. So today I spent most of my time between these two 6-foot quarters with a speed hump in the middle. My goal here is to get more comfortable carving and maintaining flow through transitions like this.
Yeah, get it! Woo!
I'm still working on frontside kick turns and carving lines, but in the meantime, I wanted to focus on air outs. At first, it felt like I was getting good ones, but when I watched the footage back, I realized I was mostly just flopping out of the bowl. I wanted some real air. Ryan gave me one simple tip that really helped. Raise your front foot higher. That small adjustment made a huge difference. Once I started finding the timing, I could feel the momentum coming out of the transition instead of fighting it.
Yeah! Front foot way up high.
It felt like jumping off your back foot, much like during an ollie.
Yeah!
This ended up being a huge win for the day. But before we wrapped it up, there was one last thing that I had to try. Wall ride. As always, I'm Adam, and thanks for your support. Just by watching.
Still got it a